Yes, this is what I'm having to drive through right now. Leaving home from work. Can't believe they're actually letting me drive through this.